Today we are going to be looking at research. We're going to start by looking at the World Wide Web as a research tool. There are so many websites on the World Wide Web, it can be hard to find what you are looking for. Search engines are designed to help us search for information on the World Wide Web. There are many different search engines to choose from. These include Yahoo, Bing, and Google. It's best to search using keywords rather than whole sentences. For example, if you wanted to know the address for Wembley Stadium, you could simply type Wembley Stadium address. Sometimes simply using keywords isn't enough. There are advanced search methods you can use to refine your results. This search has looked for the words classroom and multimedia in any order, anywhere on the page. Putting double quotes around a phrase will make the search engine search for that exact phrase. This search for Friends is likely to return results relating to the TV show. Typing sitcom with a minus sign before it will exclude that word from the search. Most search engines allow you to search for images. Here we are using Google to search for images of cars. You can refine your results by specifying the image size and format. The results will take the form of a page of thumbnails. Make sure you don't use the thumbnail version of the image. Always click on the image to get the full-size version. It's important to remember that not every piece of information on the internet can be trusted. You can tell a lot about a website by looking at its domain name extension. Information from a university website is more likely to be reliable than information from a personal website. Don't forget, the World Wide Web isn't the only source of information. Among other things, you can use books, newspapers, and magazines. Some projects may require you to keep a record of the sources you have used. You can use a sources table for this. You may also need to say whether or not the source you used was primary or secondary. A piece of information from a primary source is usually something you have created yourself, whereas a piece of information from a secondary source has normally been created by somebody else. Most information from secondary sources is covered under copyright laws, and permission is normally needed to use it. Sometimes it is possible to find sources that are copyright-free.